If you find yourself avoiding words like world, I want you to know it's common. Even my most advanced speakers, I hear this from them. And it's not because your English isn't good, it's because of one thing, your R sound, your R sound. So, what's happening is instead of fixing, you simplify. You choose different words. Sometimes you stop mid sentence. And over time, this affects your confidence. So let's change this. Instead of focusing on the tip of your tongue, you need to shift your attention to the middle of your tongue. You lift the middle of your tongue slightly and make sure the tip of your tongue is relaxed, and do not press it against your teeth. There should be space in the front of your mouth. So let's try world. Notice where the sound is. It's not in the front, it's in the middle of your tongue. World. Again, smoother. World. Okay, now try the words girl and early. Remember, it's the same placement. Don't worry about the L sound, the L sound right now. That I will talk about in upcoming videos. So try girl, early. This is the key. You don't need to try harder. You need a more accurate placement. Once that shifts, it becomes easier for you. And just as important, you will stop avoiding certain words that you want to use. It's something that can change quickly with the right focus.